got it. I just can't move now.
Come on, Rye, read it. You can't see on that side. Oh, over there too.
Yeah, way back.
Wait longer.
Hey, Julia's dad.
Yeah.
I'm Shelby's mom, Christy.
I kind of thought that might have been the case.
Gotta wait longer, Rye.
Have I seen you at Sue's there?
Yeah, we go there.
Yeah. I didn't know if I'd met you there or if this is the first time meeting you, but yeah, she's doing good.
She does pretty good. She's improved a lot.
I noticed because we used to play against her back when, wasn't she with
Wolfpack.
Wolfpack,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. I think her mental has gotten a lot.
It's Sue. That's Sue. Yeah. But she's pretty amazing.
Kills.
Spin it, Shelby!
And not to confuse you, but I am this kid. Obviously, I don't look Asian. But Tim is Julia's biological father, and he comes around. You just haven't met him yet.
Oh! I didn't even know. That's all good.
But I take all the credit.
There you go.
Got her into sports.
Well, she's fun to watch. She's fitting right in.
Good eye, kid.
A lot of nerves.
We were in this position last year. And, you know, it was lots of timeouts, lots of working on things. And she worked her butt off last night. I mean, she's always worked hard, but there was so much that she had to learn. And yeah. And she doesn't look like the same kid anymore. Like, because that's what she had the skill, but it was the mental game and really commanding her circle and her spin change, and she sped up quite a bit too. But it's really like so important to hit your spots and that spin count and. Oh. Yeah, Sue has been really so fantastic and instrumental. But no, she loves it here. Chris is just a great coach.
That's why I'm looking forward to all the fundamental stuff. And the fact that he as a coach, he can see stuff as the pitcher's going. You don't have to worry about going back and talking to Sue, or like you can point stuff out.
Well, and you'll see, Sue will be coming here. She travels not as much as she would like, but she does come, and I think she's coming to California with them. And I wish I would have moved her a year before to Sue. Nice pitch, sis. Atta girl. Jane, you saw that picture tonight? Christy?
I'm sure. I even said that.
Oh.
So many names to remember.
Get her.
Nice.
Woo! Woo! Ooh, got her again. That's 4 outs.
That was 3.